Hey, we've got something really fun today. We're going to make up some smoked pizza pasta skewers. That's a mouthful. I saw this idea on Instagram. Queen of the Grill made it. Let's get this cook going. First thing we're going to do, shred up some cheddar cheese. And now we've got some Parmesan. Then we're going to thinly slice jalapeno. And what we've got here, some penny pasta that I cooked 1 minute prior to al dente, following the instructions on the box. Here we've got some 12-inch bamboo skewers that I've been soaking in water. All we want to do is come in here with this pasta and put 10 or so on here. This is the longest part of this whole recipe. Not hard, just time consuming. And by the way, you can put as many as you want on here, right? And you know, because it's cooked al dente, no issue getting the skewer through it. 7, 8, 9, and you make them as big as you want. This is going to be just about right for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How about one more? There we go. Now I've just got some pizza sauce right out of the jar. It's not homemade. Of course, you could take the time to make homemade if that's what you wanted to do. Just going to brush each one of our pasta skewers up here with this pizza sauce. And this is where you can start to have a lot of fun. We've got our pizza sauce on there. I'm going to come in with some of that cheddar cheese that we shredded up earlier. Now a little bit of that Parmesan. We've got them both. Let's use them both. It's looking good already. Now I'm going to come in with, you know, you decide. A couple of jalapenos on each one. You don't want the jalapenos, you can leave them off. Personally, I think it's going to just really kick it off. Now I've got some baby pepperonis. And you know, I'm just thinking you could line the pepperonis all the way down like so. Then put the jalapeno on so you could get more pepperonis if you wanted. It's up to you. Have fun with it. Final thing I'm putting on mine is a little sausage. I already fried this up, cut it in little pieces. Again, make it how you want to make it for yourself. I think this sausage on here, pepperoni. I'm getting hungry and it's not even cooked yet. Now we're looking good here. Let's get over to the Pit Boss pellet grill and get it ready. You can see we're running right at 350. I'm going to get these guys on this end. My fire cup's down here, so they're away from the fire. I checked these at 10 minutes and the cheese wasn't melty enough. Now it's been a total of 15 minutes. Let's have a look at this cheese to see if it's melted enough. I think it's perfectly melted for me. Let's get these off here. Give them a taste test. Pepperoni, sausage, melty cheese, and I sprinkled some fresh chopped up rosemary on there. Rosemary goes good with pizza, right? All right, just going to kind of squish it off. It's pizza on pasta. Oh man, this is really good. Let's get some of that jalapeno. There you have it. Smoked pizza pasta skewers. You have got to try this one. Hey, check out a shotgun shell video down below.